Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Today I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this 3-in-1 multi-sander kit. It'll take care of a wide variety of sanding projects. And in the box, you've got your sander, which is already fitted with a 3rd sheet base, and you get a detail sanding base, a 125mm random orbital base, a dust canister, some spare screws and locating pins, and we give you some sandpaper to start you off. With this variable speed dial, you can adjust it so you can get the perfect finish on any surface. The ergonomic shore grip handle increases user comfort. The detail sanding pad is perfect to get into those hard to reach spots and tight corners while sanding. And the 3rd sheet sanding base is awesome for taking care of all those large surfaces and putting a nice flat, fine finish on it. While the random orbit action of the 125mm pad will make sure that you can get a consistent, smooth surface every time. We've also made sure it's got a hook and loop pad on the back, so it's easy to change all those sandpapers. The dust canister will help you catch all those airborne particles and help keep your work environment clean. What's really great about this sander is you get 3 different heads, meaning that you'll get all your sanding applications taken care of out of the one box. If you want to know any more information, you can check out the back of the box or go to our website.